Einkorn bread in a loaf pan. Dr. John A. Allocca. April 27, 26. www.allocca.com. Endorsed by Chef Pucci. See recipe in the comment section. Recipe. Use organic ingredients where possible. 3 cups Einkorn all-purpose flour, 80% whole wheat. 1/2 teaspoon Celtic sea salt. 2 teaspoons baking soda. 2 teaspoons cream of tartar. 1/4 cup organic extra virgin olive oil plus some for the pan. 1 cup may be filtered water. Mix all dry ingredients in a bowl using an electric mixer with dough hooks. Add olive oil after the dry ingredients are mixed. Slowly add water until the dough is mixed, not too wet and not too dry. Continue kneading for about 3 minutes. Place it into an oiled loaf pan and smoothen using a wet spoon. Sprinkle a little olive oil on top. Bake in a toaster oven or regular oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes or until the crust is golden brown. It is really important to use organic flour because non-organic flour may contain glyphosate, Roundup, which can lead to food allergies and sensitivities. 100 grams equals approximately 44 grams carbohydrates and 250 calories. Baking powder versus baking soda. Typical composition of baking powder: 25 to 30% cornstarch, 30% baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, 30 to 40% acid salts, or sodium aluminum sulfate. Cornstarch is used to keep the combined ingredients dry. It may not be as healthy as using baking soda and cream of tartar only. Without cornstarch, 1 tablespoon, 3 teaspoons, baking powder equals 1 teaspoon baking soda and 1 teaspoon cream of tartar. Recipes in this book use: 2 teaspoons baking soda, 2 teaspoons cream of tartar. Einkorn flour. Einkorn flour alone may be too heavy for some people. In place of 3 cups of einkorn flour, use 2 cups of einkorn flour and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Einkorn wheat. Einkorn wheat, Triticum monococcum, is one of the oldest known forms of cultivated wheat and is often described as an ancient grain. It was domesticated over 10,000 plus years ago. It is genetically simple because it has 14 chromosomes, whereas modern wheat has 42 chromosomes. This simpler genome is one reason some people find it easier to digest. Einkorn wheat is higher in nutrients compared with modern wheat. Einkorn wheat typically contains more protein, higher levels of carotenoids, gives it a golden color, more antioxidants, including lutein, and higher minerals like iron, zinc, and magnesium. Einkorn wheat does contain gluten, so it is not safe for celiac disease. However, its gluten structure is different. It is lower in the modern D-genome gluten fractions, which some people are sensitive to. Many people with non-celiac wheat sensitivity report better tolerance. It has a nutty, rich, slightly sweet flavor. Einkorn flour is more delicate because einkorn absorbs water differently. The dough tends to be stickier, and breads won't rise as high as modern wheat. 100 grams whole wheat flour contains 300 calories, 12 grams protein, 51 grams carbohydrate, 12 grams fiber, and it is high in vitamin B6, lutein, beta-carotene, and minerals. Jovial offers 2 types of einkorn products with different levels of brand separation. Einkorn wheat berries, these are the whole grain kernels, and they retain 100% of the bran and germ. They are cleaned after harvest without polishing or pearling. All-purpose einkorn flour. This flour has a portion of the bran and germ sifted and removed from the finished product, about 20%. It is a lighter, finer flour than their whole wheat version. Therefore, Jovial does not separate the entire bran from all its einkorn products. The whole wheat berries and the whole grain flour made from them contain all of the bran. 100 grams equals approximately 44 grams carbohydrates and 250 calories. Chef Pucci and Dr. John wish you health and happiness. Buon appetito! Visit www.allocca.com for more recipes and information on Essential Health, a journey to total mind-body wellness. Join the Essential Health program today because healing isn't just possible, it's essential.